Welcome to Dan's Sports Stuff. Today we are going to open 2 packs, but we're going to do it in a certain way. I've got a row of vintage football cards right here. These are the cheaper brands, but this is just to show you what we're going to do. I'm going to roll a dice, and whatever number it is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whichever number we roll, that's the pack I'm going to open. But then after that, I've got these older vintage packs, the better ones. One's baseball. It starts with, this one's 1983. You can get a Marcus Allen rookie out of there. Jim McMahon, Mike Singletary, quite a few. This is 1985. Warren Moon rookie. Walter Payton in there. It's a pretty good card to pull too. There's quite a few different cards in there. If I get a 3, it's going to be a 1986 rack pack. So that one could be exciting. 1987 Topps football, 1988 Topps football, or 1986 Topps baseball. So we're going to start with the bottom row here. And let's see what number we get. Number 6, 1992 Pro Set. It's not really much in that set worth pulling, but it's always fun to open these older packs. Oh, it's actually kind of got a hole in it. Let's see what we pull out of here. Brent Jones, James Joseph, Stan Thomas, Jim Jensen, Willie Anderson, Kevin Green, Trace Armstrong, 1991 replay, Thurman Thomas, Gary Anderson, Sammy Smith, Deion Sanders, 1991 replay, Terrell Buckley rookie. It's actually one of the better rookies for that year. Super Bowl 26 replay. James Lofton. Milestone. Thurman Thomas. Statistical leaders. I remember scratching a lot of these. Getting a lot of extra points. And incomplete passes. Try again. All right. Now we're ready for the 80's packs. Let's see what number we get in these. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1987. Kind of excited to get that 3 and finally open that 1986 Topps. Can't get myself to open it. 1987 Topps, you can get Jim Kelly, rookie NFL card, Charles Haley, Randall Cunningham, a few others I can think of right now. Let's dig right in, see what we get. Here's the gum. If I get that Jim Kelly rookie in this pack, then my daughter will chew that gum. Okay, no, she won't. She just shook her head no. All right, Bill Brooks, 1,000-Yard Club. Greg Bell, Leonard Thompson, Gary Ellis, Danny White, Matt Suey, Dennis Gentry, Mike Singletary. It's not a bad card. It's also perfectly centered. Well, I can't tell. It might be off. Left to right. Gerald Riggs, Ron Stark, Gil Bird, Leonard Marshall. Oh, I saw the Eagles hoping for Randall Cunningham. Mike Quick, Bobby Joe Edmonds, top super rookie. Eric Howard, Frank Garcia, the one with the gum damage. Well, that's our random opening today. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit like, and I'll see you guys later.